In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 and over redistributable package error. So what is this error? Some components of the VirtualBox are developed using Microsoft Visual C++ for Windows. Hence, the Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 Plus redistributable package provides the necessary runtimes to function correctly, but unfortunately, this package and the runtimes are not part of the default Windows installation. So how do you fix this? You need to download the package from the following links that you're going to see here on the screen, and select the items under x64 or the 64-bit architecture. So you're going to see here, this one is what you need. So just type this out. A bit tedious, but type this out. You need to do it, right? Once that's downloaded, install the package. That installation requires admin privilege in the Windows. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the setup. It's very simple. It's very straightforward. You just need to do it. And then after that, what you need to do is to restart. And then you'll be set. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.